Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this age of AI, we are hearing too much about job losses, right? Thousands, not just something negligible. And it's not going to stop here. I know a lot of you are shocked with the way Amazon has laid off their employees, but it's not the end. It is going on, and it was not the first time because of AI. It is happening everywhere. Okay. Now, how to prepare yourself in this age of AI, that's what I'm gonna discuss in this video. So guys, first of all, if you are in IT industry or in any industry, I would say try to upgrade yourself, because in every team, regardless of the industry you are working, there is a colleague who is far more efficient, doesn't need any leave, doesn't need any additional pay, doesn't need any benefit, and can quickly learn your job in a more efficient way. That's called AI. So guys, if you are in IT, try to adapt to AI tools so that you can actually develop AI, work on AI, because that's what the future is. Because recently news articles were published that AI is now used for coding also. So if AI can write a program in a few seconds that may take an ordinary programmer to write like a few days or sometimes even weeks. So they need reviewers. Now the industry need reviewers, those who can review AI, not the worker in terms. So first thing is this. Second thing I would say, guys, just don't rely on one source of earning bread and butter. Develop additional skills. Okay, develop additional skills that can make you earn bread and butter. By developing additional skills, I'm not saying that every one of you go for Uber and Lyft driving. That I'm not saying. Something meaningful. Something, when I say meaningful, means something that can define yourself and something that can give you more uh, chances of earning. For example, skill trades here in Canada. If you can learn skill trades that is always in demand, and with one service call you can make a good amount of money if you are a good skill trader, right? Of course licensing and other requirements are there, but have yourself trained so that you can do in case anything goes bad. Like if you are out of job for 3 months, 6 months, and if you have something that you can do meanwhile to support your family, that is very important. Have additional savings. Now someone will say like 1 year of saving, 2 year of saving, 3 year of saving. I would say have as much as saving you can without compromising the details or without compromising the lifestyle of your family up to the extent that is not bearable. So have as much saving as you can, because you don't know how bad and for how long bad situations are gonna last. Okay, so savings are also really important. Okay, don't into additional liabilities in these days that you cannot tolerate. I mean to say, like, don't buy a very expensive branded something that you don't need. If it is related to necessity, like if you need a car to commute for your work, or if you need a house for your living and a roof over your head, these are necessities. I have no comments about them, but luxury is something. Be careful. Do you really need those at this time in this tough situation? Just don't think that if you are an executive or if you are a manager or if you are a very valuable resource or if you have earned some good appreciation recently, or probably the best employee award, you are safe. No, no one is safe. Any role can be taken over overnight and you will not get any chance. If you ask anyone across the globe, those who have been laid off, how much time it takes to laying off an employee? Few seconds. You are just told your ID is blocked, return assets, you are done, thank you. Then HR will contact you for the remaining formalities. There's nothing you can do. So that is the case, guys. I know it's painful when you hear this, but this is what it is. You have to accept this fact, and that's what I said, guys. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.